And winter is coming.
Well, I was watching Off-Grid Garage's video the other day of him putting his pool fence solar panels back up, and now suddenly I don't feel so bad. I do feel pretty bad about my garden being so shithouse at the moment, but here's what it is. So video 2, I'm going to supplement some of the solar for winter, because we're running out of battery power. So this cable goes to, it's quite a decent long one, this cable goes to one of the MPPTs in the shed. I've got to fix up some connectors, because you can imagine when they're on the ground like this is not ideal for them. I've got to patch up some of the connectors over there and see if we can get, see, that's the problem. The Chinese MC4s that I get are just no good, so I went down to Alt-Tech this morning and picked up another MC4 crimp-on set, and we're going to see if we can fix this thing up. So I reckon I could get 9 panels on there. I'll grab another set of double adapters from them as well. So yeah, let's see if we can get another 9 panels up there, and we might be able to supplement some of this charging. Alrighty, so I've patched this one up. That one's down. I've got to get that one out. The bloody weeds have grown over the top of the cable, so I'm going to yank them out one at a time. If I have to cut them, I'll cut them and just put new plugs on them. Right, well, that's an extra 3. I've got these 3 here to tidy up yet. I've got some more connectors to crimp, but let's go and have a look, see if that's giving us any extra power. I'm running out of daylight, you can see here, but this is more about being ready for the next couple of days. Oh, still out of breath, man. The flu or whatever it is I've got's taking the piss right out of me. So this will be the, ah, there you go, it's already producing, 377. It's better than a punch in the face, isn't it? Alright, extra 377 watts, still an extra 377 watts, but I'm going to need shitloads more than that. So we've had power rolling in from the caravan. You can see the house's solar is producing power, but I'm still taking a fair chunk of that away using our DC charger. Well, it's not going to be enough, is it? We're getting close to the end of the day here, close to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're not going to see too much more charge. We're only at 70%. This one charged, and the van's charged, so there's 40 kilowatt hours of power between them. But the big battery is lagging behind. We really need that to be around 300 amps, like. So, yeah, I'm going to go around now and try and figure out if there's any breakers tripped anywhere, or we got any power turned off that we shouldn't. I don't think so, but let's go and figure that out. Oh, where's one of my solar patios? We look like we're all good there. Yeah, we're okay. Alright, so we don't have any trip breakers, so I think it's just shitty light conditions. Alright, I probably sound pretty deflated, mostly because I'm absolutely exhausted, so I'm going to leave it at that. So we've got 3 panels out the front there that are contributing power through the microinverters. I've got 2 more microinverters I haven't yet fucking installed, so I've got 1 spare slot for a panel, so I could potentially put in another 5 panels. I've got plenty of room left on this, so I did buy some joiners from Alt-Tech this morning. I'll over the next couple of days I'll look at laying some more panels out, seeing if we can diversify that like power source a little bit, because we need shitloads more than we're getting, man. This is the drama, right? It's nice. We're okay because we've got the grid there, and if we at any point we ever needed to fail back to it, we can switch back to it. But people who are living truly off-grid would not be able to do that. So, given that's the case, we're going to try and live like that if we can. So, yeah. Anyway, look, I'll fingers crossed this fucking flu goes away, because it's kind of killing me at the moment. But otherwise I'll be back in the next couple of days with a little bit more. I'll try and get back to the long form videos when I can, but yeah, just right now I'm just exhausted, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.